limited resources like coal and oil, they're not going to be around forever. We need to be making a transition towards smarter energy resources. So even if we're not, I think if we continue on with this argument about whether or not climate change is happening, it is happening. There is definite scientific evidence that the world is warming up.